What is up, guys, and welcome back to Crypto Guru. We are here on location in Santa Monica Pier. It's beautiful out here, but there is a lot going on in the crypto universe right now that you guys know about. There is a market reversal going on as we speak. Things are looking good. Bitcoin's going to go to 57,000. And of course, we're always going to cover the ETHERLITE coin itself also. But I'm going to show you guys what's going on in the charts. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. So let me dive right into the computer, give you guys some more good shots. And I hope you guys like the content. And make sure you guys hit the like to do the YouTube algorithm, because I'm awesome. Okay, so where we're at here is I've gone into TradingView. And we're looking at, we're on the daily chart right here. And what I noticed, if you guys look at where we're currently at, we are at like 46, 1.5. But I've noticed this pattern right here. It actually works better if I just do this. I noticed this pattern right here that is a pennant, and it's looking like we're going to get a breakout one way or the other. I think we're going to break to the upside, and this is on the daily, so this is pretty powerful. Now if you look, this thing does not work as good, but if you look at my lines that I've created, and right here, this yellow line, which is 46,288, this is where we have to make a support. This is what we did last time. We flipped this level into support. See, we came down here, we rejected, we came up here, and then we turned it into support. And once we make it support, our next level is like 57. See, there's nothing stopping us from going there. So we're literally right at the line. So what we have to do is we need to break to the upside. We need to close a candle, preferably a daily candle above this 46,288 right here. And then this will show us we're doing pretty good. But so far, at least we're on top of the 200 moving average. And if I click out, you can see our indicators. We have the NVT, and all I've learned about the NVT is it's red is good. And if you look at we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, which signifies an uptrend. So that is actually really good. And let's go back. Then we're looking at the stochastic. And the stochastic RSI, basically, we still have some room to grow. We did kind of a reversal right here instead of tanking all the way down here. And we still have some range to go. So we're looking pretty good on the daily. We are kind of oversold on the RSI, but as you can see, we have a higher high, higher low. It's a lower high, but then it reversed and higher low. So it's we need to get another close up here, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. And if we go through the 4 hour very quickly, the 4 hour, you can see we have a ton of momentum. We just became official not that long ago, and we have a ton of momentum in the 4 hour. So this is where we're in our oversold territory. And remember, the stochastic RSI, it measures momentum. So we got good momentum. And if we look at our chart over here, you can actually see this pennant that I've drawn out. And it looks very, very similar to a previous pattern. So we could get a rejection. It could bounce back and forth here as it gets tighter, tighter, tighter. And I think, honestly, I think it's going to break to the upside. It's looking really good. If you take this line chart, or you turn it into a line chart, you can see a little bit better how we kind of bounced back and forth perfectly. We bounced, we get another bounce down here, which will be still a higher low, and then to the upside. So that is Bitcoin. We don't have a lot of volume, which that's the only thing that makes me think that it might have ran out of steam, because see, look at the volume over here is crazy.
So this is an update because I actually did this video, the recording a couple days ago. So now we're on Sunday, which is 3 days later, and as you can see, my market predictions worked out pretty good. We broke to the upside out of the pennant, got rejected, went back into the pennant, and now we have a new candle that's raising above. We're in the 47 range right here, and I believe we're gonna go to the like 49.50 level, no problem. And then if we click back out of here, our momentum indicator just became official. It's almost official. It's about to cross our 20 mark. So we have a lot of momentum to go up, and our RSI, we're not quite oversold yet. We're kind of in the middle range. So we have a lot more momentum. Things are looking good. And let's get back to the rest of the video. I just wanted to show you guys this, that yeah, my predictions were spot.
Still not quite oversold in this one, and this is basically going to be your first chart lesson. So if you guys want to, but I will say that if we break out of this pennant, we're going to go at least to 50, but I'm going to say that we don't have any resistance until we hit 57.5. So we could even raise our level up here. So this is probably going to be right around our level that we're looking at. So let's close this out and let's go to our staking. Oh, and we're already on the page, so let me go back a bit here. Let me just close this out. And there's ETHERLITE price. It's not doing gravy, but remember, people still have not heard of this. So this is a brand new thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the MetaMask. We're going to go over here, click on MetaMask. I want to make sure, since I'm going to the staking site, that it's a recommended site. It's not a third party. So we're going to go with this account right here. And we're gonna head over here and we're gonna type in the staking.etherlite. Oops, shit. Staking, there we go. Staking.etherlite.org. We log into the staking. And what I did before I took my little trip is I put up 30,000 ETL. So my last video I had 1,200. I decided to put up 30,000, and what I found is I staked mid 11 epoch. So you have to wait for number 12 to be done, and then you get paid on 13. But since I have been in since 11, now I've left my rewards in there, and so I've gotten rewards on 12 epoch and 13. So I looked at this a little earlier, and I've seen they've done some changes. Number one, you can see that the pools that I'm in, it's giving me the withdraw ETL option now, and that was not there before. And so I can go over here, I can withdraw my ETL, it'll go back to my balance, it's not held in there anymore. And so if we click on this claim reward as a delegator, remember I got 10,000 in each of these. You claim the reward, and I'm not gonna claim it yet, I'm just gonna leave it. But I will tell you that I noticed something which is really weird. Pool 26 in 2 weeks has only got me 4.59, when all these other ones are 113. So we're about like 250 or so ETLs just for staking. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to claim this pool 26. I'm going to claim the pool 26, And see, it charges me a very, very fraction of a gas fee, just barely anything. And I'm going to confirm it. And it is going to show up. I'm waiting for it to show up. Transaction confirmed. There we go. And you can see that I have my 4 point something ETL has been returned. So I claim this, and now I want to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw the ETL from pool 26 because it only got me 5, which withdraw. You were allowed to withdraw 10,000. Yes, I'm going to withdraw from this pool, and I'm going to join another one. Oh, and it's going to charge me a gas fee. Okay. So we confirm the gas fee. Here we go, 10,000. So we pulled our 10,000 from here. And if we click over here on this button, we should have 10,000 something ETL. No, we don't yet. It hasn't gone through yet. So here we are. Quick little update. It is now Tuesday, and I still have not seen the 10,000 ETL back in my wallet, but I am not too worried right now because the research that I have done says that you have to wait for the next epoch cycle to complete before it will show in your wallet. So I need to wait for this to change to epoch 15, and then it should reflect in the balance. The system update that they had, I was not aware of it, but the system update that they had is completed now. So now you should have no problem withdrawing your ETL. And once again, you'll have to wait for the epoch cycle to change. So if you do mid-epoch, you have to wait for it to change. Staking, same as ever. Just easily stake your ETL. And remember, these are 7-day cycles. These are not 2-day cycles. You will not gain any rewards on 2 days. You have to go 7 days. So if we click on my claim rewards button, it'll show me 2 cycles of, see, they're almost identical. 113, 113. 2 cycles of ETL to claim. So it's like 200 and, I don't know, 240. All right, so that's the end of that part. Also, there's a lot going on in the ETHERLITE community, and one of those things is the ETHERLITE exchange, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of the next time on the next video. So here is a quick update. It actually looks like we're getting a break to the downside, which I don't like, but this is in the 1 hour chart. So if we take it to, I like going to 4 hour, we are breaking out of the pendant, which is not good to the downside, and we are literally barely holding the 200 MA. We'll see what happens. If we break to the downside, then we're going to be around 43,000, because we're going to take this little buddy right here and put it down here, and there is our level for the downside. I'm always a positive person, so we're going to go to the upside, and that's what's going to happen, because we're going to put it in the universe. The universe is going to raise it up to the 49,000 level. And that is enough for today. Like I said, there's a bunch of stuff going on in the ETHERLITE community, and I will be updating things. There's more dApps coming, all kinds of different stuff. There's an NFT program that's releasing. There's a stable coin that's coming out. It's just like a lot of things. So stay tuned, and that is it for today's video.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being there. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next video.